Happy Sunday, guys, and good morning. Welcome to another Adventures of Greg Thomas Vlogs. To all of you new to this channel for the first time, welcome, and I hope you all enjoy a wonderful experience. My name is Gregory Thomas II, but you can call me Greg. It's a lot shorter. And now that we got that out of the way, let's get started. Today, I'm going to go to New Bethel Baptist Church to serve as its camera operator. That's right. Once again, I'm going to serve as a camera operator. I like camera operating because, well, it's like looking through a whole new world. And now, without further ado, let's head on to the church. Alright guys, so here I am at New Bethel Baptist Church inside the sanctuary itself. Once again, normally I would do this intro outside, but right now it's cold and shivering. Whew. So I like to stay in the warm. Right now not much is happening here in the sanctuary. Well, at the moment, it's almost as quiet as a library. I love a good quiet now and then. Alright, so I'm going to start by turning on the camera, the monitors, and anything else we need for the day. So stick around, guys, and I'll see you all in a little bit. Okay guys, so I just got finished turning on everything that we need here at in the sanctuary on the AV ministry. So right now I'm here at the AV desk, just chilling, just sitting around, waiting until the first service starts. So I'm gonna stick around and hang for a little while until it starts anyway. So stick around, guys, and see how this whole adventure goes. Okay guys, so first service is about to start. I'm here on camera right now, even as we speak. So without further ado, guys, let's get started, and I'll see you all at the first service. Alright guys, so we just got finished with the first service. Right now I'm just sitting down after standing right next to the camera for, I don't know, possibly 2 hours. So in a few minutes I'm going to get on my feet and head on out. But stick around, guys, and see how this whole adventure goes. Boy, guys, once again, it was great working as a camera operator at New Bethel today. I'm a little tired, but that's what happens when you stand for a little while working the camera. It gets interesting after that. Alright guys, so I just want to say thank you for joining me on another adventure. I hope you guys have a wonderful week as well as a wonderful weekend. If you like this video, go on down below and click on that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button and we'll get started. So, until then guys, remember, imagination, memories, forever on film. So until then, I'll see you all next time.